western Clarion County in west central Pennsylvania until 7:45 p.m. At 6:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near New Bethlehem to near Hampton Township, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Indiana, Punxsutawney, Vandergrift, Katanning, Apollo, Hampton Township, New Kensington, Lower Borough, Harrison Township, Tarentum, Natrona Heights, and Brackenridge. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Flash flood warning. For the following counties,